In this video, I will show you a simple method to create a cinematic zoom text reveal effect in CapCut for PC. First, import your background video into the timeline. Go to the Text tab and add a default text. Type the number 1. Change its color to black. Then scale it to cover your entire screen as a black layer. Add another text box and type your title. Customize its font and style. To animate the title, select its layer. Find the text scale option and add a keyframe at the start. Move the playhead to the end of the clip and increase the scale to a large value like 500%. Now, go to Animations, then Out. Apply the Zoom In Out animation to the title. Next, select both the black number layer and the animated title text. Right-click on them and choose Create Compound Clip. In the basic settings on the right, set the blend mode to multiply. This reveals your video through the animated text. Your cinematic zoom text reveal effect is now complete.